I'm ready. What up everybody, I'm Tom, and today I'm introducing Tread. Tread is our first product designed to be truly portable. When designing the Tread, we really wanted to visually communicate what the oven was built for, which was going out into the wild and going out for adventures. It feels robust but tactile, and it still feels like a Gozney product. We have roof handles that allow you to pick it up and take it anywhere with you really, really easily. It's easy to carry, and we've designed it to be 33% lighter than Rockbox. But I guess the great thing that we've done with the Tread, whilst it had to be compact so you can take it anywhere easily and really conveniently, it has to still perform like a Gozney product. It heats up really quickly and has incredible heat retention properties, but we also wanted to make it convenient for you that when you finish cooking, you can simply leave it for 20 minutes to cool down and it can go straight back in the trunk of your car. Shall I do a jump from studio to studio? I'm in Iceland! The Tread has the same incredible innovation as the Arc. It has a lateral flame which arcs over the inside of the body of the oven when you're using it. It simulates that of a wood fire and consistently heats the whole stone floor. The burner is also built into the side wall of the oven, which gives you more cooking space when you're using it. Now I want to talk about the Tread Venture Stand. This has been designed so you can go out and cook absolutely anywhere. It has 4 legs. Each leg is individually adjustable so you can get it set up completely level on any terrain. Tread Venture Stand has 2 working heights. Fully extended so you can stand and use the oven, or you can reduce it down and have it tabletop. Yo! The Tread roof rack. This is so cool, man. It comes with a chopping board that fits into a recess on the top of it. This simply clicks into the roof rails on top of the Tread. And the great thing that we've done with the Tread is we've got this entire ecosystem of accessories to make the experience great for you when you're out adventuring and cooking. This chopping board, as I said, comes off, so you can go away and do your prep over there, you can get your food ready, but you can also chuck it back in the top of the roof rack and then have it as a trivet for hot pans or things, or serving pizzas on. Let's go mantle. Great little accessory in the Tread ecosystem. It simply slides into the front of the oven and clicks into place, and then it extends the bay of the oven. This is incredible if you want to flip food, you can rest pans on the outside, you can turn food, turn pizzas, do stuff like that. So it just really improves the experience of using the Tread. Boom. Next thing I want to talk about is the Venture placement peel. So this is the exact same quality as the Pro placement peel that we sell at Gozney. It has a shorter handle, which makes it really transportable, really easy to use, and great to pack away. Whoop. Alongside the Venture placement peel, we have the Venture turning peel. This is just a really, really good, hardy little all-rounder turning peel. It's good for moving pots and pans, turning pizzas, all that sort of stuff. Small enough to pack away, large enough to be able to use in the oven comfortably. And lastly, the Tread Venture bag, a rugged bag with heavy grade zippers, reinforced handles, solid top and bottom. The oven fits snugly inside it, ready for you to take the Tread anywhere. Cook different in places that you never thought possible. Hey everybody, I'm Tom, and today I'm with the Tread in Iceland. Weird, wasn't it? It was Blue Peter in Iceland.